guys, Lorraine here from makemoneyonline-niches.com and welcome to my YouTube channel where I share information and digital products that are launching and also softwares. Now today I want to review a product that is called List Your Links. Now this product is brought to you by Dawud Islam and Kerrie Sillett. And it is launched today, which is Monday, April the 11th, and it's in the launch period until Friday, probably midnight EST time. So that's 5 days from now. And basically what I want to do is show you the sales page first, find out what is, list your links, and then I have my bonus page. So I've got 4 fantastic bonuses that I want to share with you. And if you stick around to the end of the video, we can jump over to the members dashboard and have a look at what is inside of List Your Links. So let's jump over to the sales page now. Okay, so this is the sales page for List Your Links, and there is a video which is Dawud explaining exactly what the best kept secrets are in the online space for traffic, which is 10 secret methods that is going to be inside of this training, which is List Your Links. So this is the sales page, and this basically is going to give you the 10 different methods in a video format. They introduce the training, then explain the different methods and how you can use those different methods to get traffic to various links. Now, this particular product is not just for the make money online niche. This can work for a lot of different categories. So if you're in spirituality or law of attraction or health, weight loss, fitness, whatever it is, this particular product is going to help you to list your links and get traffic to those links with 10 different methods. So this is the sales page, and this is Dawud explaining. This is, you're not going to find a push button solution. It's not no quick rich, get rich quick. This basically is List Your Links, which is an example which you can find inside of this training. And it's organic traffic. So basically you're not paying for advertisements. You can list your item, whatever it is, your training, your digital course, whatever it is, you can list it for free. So this is a product that has been created by the launch partner, Kerrie Sillett and Dawud. And basically it's one of the major problems that every marketer faces. Basically it is getting traffic to the offers, because if you don't get traffic to the offers, you haven't really got a business and you won't be making any sales. So this particular training is going to show you exactly what you need to be doing to get that traffic to your links. It's List Your Link. This is Kerrie, and she is one of the students of Dawud who is launching this product this week. So there is a demonstration video here. He is going to walk you through what's inside. Well, I can do that myself because I have got access to this fantastic product. So we could do that a little bit later in the video. And you just need to have a look and check out some of the sales of that. They've been able to get from basically listing their links and getting traffic to their links so they can make these sales. So here is the dashboard from Warrior Plus here, and the sales dashboard. So these are earnings as of early July of 2020 that these were banked. So that is basically the sales page for List Your Links, and let's have a look at some of the bonuses that the vendor is providing with this particular product. So bonus number 1 is Eagle emails. Learn how to do email marketing the right way with a flagship course. Bonus number 2 is 6 ways to make money on TikTok. And bonus number 3 is 8 top high ticket programs so that you can now promote high ticket programs on List Your Link and actually make some sales with traffic. And bonus number 4 is Internet Marketing Alphabet, which is a complete A to Z of internet marketing. Bonus number 5 is access to TweetX. Now this is learning how to finally monetize Twitter. And that is the 5 vendor bonuses that you would still receive if you decide to pick up List Your Links through my link, which is the first link in the description box. So now let's jump over to my bonus page and check out the rest of List Your Links. Okay, so here we are on my bonus page for List Your Links, and let's have a look at what exactly is this about. So you are going to get access to 10 secret sites where you can advertise daily for free. And we've got all of my bonuses available until Friday, and you can click on any of these orange buttons which will take you through to the sales page for List Your Links, where you can check out and pick up a copy. So List Your Links, you're going to get access to 10 secret sites that no one's using in the Warrior Plus, JVZoo and ClickBank affiliate space. And you can advertise for free on a daily basis on all of these sites. That is huge, basically a huge, massive traffic influx that you can have there. And you be able to get targeted audience without the need for a list, an email list, or having to purchase ads and pay for traffic. So let's have a look at the prices and the upsells. So on the front end of List Your Links, it's $12.95. There is OTO 1, which is the pro version, which is $37, a downsell for $17. Now OTO 2 is a mega traffic package, $47, and the downsell is $27. Now OTO 3 is the resale rights, and that one is also $47 with a downsell $27. And OTO 4 is a done for you campaign. Now that is $97, but there is a downsell $47. Now OTO 5 is Executive Club. Now that one is $37. There's also a downsell $17. Now OTO 6 is the Become a Beta Tester for the Elite Academy, and that is part of Dawud's Elite Academy. And basically then you would get mentor by Dawud, and this is $997 to become a beta tester in the products that Dawud releases within Warrior Plus space. So that is OTO 6. So there is the prices within the funnel of List Your Links. If you click through to my link, which is the first link in the description box, then you can read all about what each different upsell involves. And some of the key benefits that you may be interested in getting, which are listed here. This is the top 10 secret sites to advertise for free, the step-by-step easy to follow videos. You can learn how to choose the right offers to promote, advanced techniques to scale up your results. You then have got all resources you need included for free, and how to drive traffic to the offers using entirely free methods. Now, there is a demo video, so I encourage you to click onto my link, check out the demo video. But what we can do is have a look now at the 4 bonuses I have available for you if you decide to grab List Your Links through my link in the description box. So the first bonus is access to 7-minute sales system. And that's the first product bonus. The second one is basically a training hack, 4 ways to get design inspiration. My bonus number 3 is 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions. You need to make sure you've got the right headlines, and you need to make sure your content is not ending up in the spam box, which is what can happen when you email your lists. And my bonus number 4 is access all the upsells from a secret product. Now, a hint, this helps you with TikTok. So that's all the upsells from a secret product, and it's helping you with TikTok. And we've got, obviously, I've explained all the vendor bonuses, so you would still receive all of those. And I have an extra special item here, which is access to a 2-hour free web class, a special invitation from me, which will walk you through 3 different methods in order to go from 0 to 5,000 within the next 22 days. So we've got method 1, YouTube, method 2, building a list, and method 3, Google Ads. So if you want access to this free 2-hour web class, pick up List Your Links through my link, which is the first link in the description box below this video. That is my bonuses for List Your Link, and it's a Warrior Plus product. So if you do decide to grab this product, you will find a receipt like this. The blue button at the bottom of your receipt will take you through to all the bonuses I've just talked about. So that is List Your Links from my bonus page. Now let's jump over to the members area so you can take a look. We can have a look at what is inside of List Your Links. So here we are on the members area for List Your Links, and the first thing is that all of the training is listed on the left hand side here. The first part of this is a welcome from Dawud Islam himself, with access to the Elite Tigers group YouTube channel and his Facebook group. The second item here is Kerrie's intro video and a link to her YouTube channel, and also a link to join her Facebook page. So after the welcome, there is the overview, which Dawud then basically explains all about the product that is being created here. And the next section is the main training section. Now there's only one video here. Dawud is going to take you a walk through on explaining exactly what these secret sites are and how you can use them. And the next section is actually the top 10 secret sites. So as you can see, they're all listed. So you've got secret site 1 through to 10. And I'm not going to click on these videos, obviously, because I don't want to give Dawud's secret away, because there would be no point in then purchasing this product. So there is 10 different sites there that you can then list your link. And Dawud has a video on each section, which will take you through. It explains what the site is and how you can use it. Like I said before, this is not just about make money online niche. This can be for all different types of niche, anything that you want to advertise. It could be anything to do with, I don't know, selling NFTs, for example, cryptocurrency memberships. It could be health, weight loss. It could be law of attraction, spirituality. It could be anything that you actually have an interest in marketing and getting traffic to your links. So that is that section there. Then there's a resource section, which is free squeeze pages. So they're giving away access to a resource here to help you to create squeeze pages. Now, if you're not sure what a squeeze page is, all it is a one-page website which might have a video or just some text and a box where you can then put in your email to get access to something which is either free or paid. That is a squeeze page. So you've got a free resource inside of the training. Then you've got Dawud's conclusion video. And then you've got the bonuses, which are listed here, which we just had a look at earlier. And then you've got the upgrades, which we talked about. There's a few unadvertised bonuses as well, which are all inside of the members dashboard, but I won't spoil the surprise. So that is basically it in a nutshell. This is List Your Links from Dawud Islam and Kerrie Sillett. And I think it's a good value for money at the front end price, and obviously you can make your own decision. And that's all I have for now on this review. And I'll see you on the next review, or even on a little tip or a training, whatever. So bye for now.